I am very dangerous. I can hurt you.
I am very dangerous. زه ډیر خطرناک یم. Dangerous ویل کېږي خطرناک ته. I can hurt you. زه تا ته زیان در رسولی شم. Hurt ویل کېږي زیان رسول.
Don't sweat it, Madam Cora. I am here with you. He cannot hurt you.
Don't swear it, Madam Cora. پریشانه کېږه مه Madam Cora. I am here with you. زه له تا سره دلته یم. He cannot hurt you. هغه نشي کولی چې تا ته زیان ورسوي.
Sean, save me. He wants to kill me. Get me out of here.
Sean, save me. مهرشانه ما وژغوره. He wants to kill me. هغه غواړي چې ما ووژني. Get me out of here. ما له دې ځای څخه وباسه.
We have to go right now. Police will arrest this man soon.
We have to go right now. مونږ باید همدا اوس لاړ شو. Police will arrest this man soon. پولیس به دغه شخص ډېر زر ونیسي.
Don't move.
Don't move. حرکت ونه کړه.
Hey! Put your gun down right now.
Hey, put your gun down right now. توپانچه دې کته کړه. کته واچوه.
Who are you? Why do you want to save Cora?
Who are you? څوک یې ته? Why do you want to save Cora? ته ولې غواړې چې کورا وژغورې؟
Cora is my best friend. Don't try to hurt her.
Cora is my best friend. کورا زما یوه ښه ملګرې ده. Don't try to hurt her. کوشش ونه کړې چې هغې ته زیان ورسوې.
I will shoot you. You are the biggest problem here.
I will shoot you. زه به تا وولمه. You are the biggest problem here. ته دلته یو غټ مشکل یې.
No, no. Please don't do this. I will talk to my dad. He will collaborate with your company.
No, no, نه. Please don't do this. مهرباني وکړه داسې مه کوه. I will talk to my dad. زه به له خپل پلار سره خبرې وکړم. He will collaborate with your company. هغه به ستا د کمپنۍ سره مرسته وکړي. ملګرو collaborate ویل کېږي مرسته کول.
Please don't shoot him. I beg you.
Please don't shoot him. مهرباني وکړه هغه ونه ولې. I beg you. زه تا ته سوال کوم. ملګرو beg ویل کېږي سوال کوه.
Why are you so worried, my sweetie?
Why are you so worried, my sweetie? ته ولې چې په دومره پریشان یې زما خوږې؟
Come on, Sean. Pick up the phone.
Come on, Sean. Pick up the phone. موبایل اوچت کړه.
He must be busy right now. Don't be so hard on him.
He must be busy right now. هغه به ضرور وس مصروفه وي. Busy ویل کېږي مصروفه. Don't be so hard on him. په هغه باندې ډېره سخته کېږه مه.
I want more money, Mom. He just gave me $3,000.
I want more money, Mom. زه نور روپۍ هم غواړم مورې. He just gave me $3,000. هغه یوازې ما ته $3,000 راکړي دي.
Thank God. You came on time. The kidnapper is inside.
Thank God. شکر الله. You came on time. چې ته په وخت باندې راغلی. The kidnapper is inside. اغوا کوونکی هلته دننه ده.
Don't worry. I will arrest him.
Don't worry. پریشانه کېږئ مه. I will arrest him. زه به هغه په حراست کې کړم.
Where is he?
Where is he? هغه چېرته ده؟
He was just here. He has a gun, officer. You have to arrest him.
He was just here. هغه همدلته و. He has a gun, officer. هغه یوه توپانچه هم درلودله افیسره. You have to arrest him soon. ته باید هغه ډیر ژر حراست کې واخلې.
Soon.
Don't move.
Don't move. حرکت ونه کوي.
Put your gun down immediately. I warn.
Put your gun down immediately. توپانچه دې کته واچوه همدا اوس سمدستي. I warn you. زه تا ته خبرداری درکوم.
You cannot do anything. Cora. You have to call your dad right now.
You cannot do anything ته هیڅ هم نشي کولای. کورا you have to call to your dad right now. تو باید خپل پلار ته همدا اوس زنګ ووهې.
Now.
What do you want? Why did you kidnap Madam Cora?
What do you want ته څه غواړې؟ Why did you kidnap Madam Cora? تا ولې Madam Cora اغوا کړه؟
He wants to collaborate with our company. He wants our company's share.
He wants to collaborate with our company. هغه غواړي چې زموږ د کمپنۍ سره مرسته وکړي. He wants our company's shares. هغه زموږ د کمپنۍ shares غواړي یعنی ونډې غواړي.
Shares.
I don't have any more. You are driving me crazy. Call your dad.
I don't have time anymore. ما سره نور وخت نشته. You are driving me crazy. تاسو ماته غوسه راولي. Call your dad. پلار دې زنګ ووهه.
Please don't shoot me. I will call my dad. He will work with your company.
Please don't shoot me. مهرباني وکړه ما ونه ولې. I will call my dad. به خپل پلار ته زنګ ووهم. He will work with your company. هغه به ستا د کمپنۍ سره کار کوي.
Drop your gun. I am warning you last time.
Drop your gun. توپانچه دې کته واچوه. I am warning you last time زه تا ته اخرنۍ وارنینګ درکوم یعنی خبرتیا درکوم.
Hello dad. I am in trouble.
Hello dad. سلام پلاره. I am in trouble. زه په مشکل کې یم.
My sweetie. Where are you? I am worried about you.
My sweetie زما خوږی. Where are you? تو چیرته یې؟ I am worried about you. زه ستا باره کې پریشان یم.
A boy kidnapped me dad. He wants to collaborate with our company.
A boy kidnapped me dad. یو هلک زه اغوا کړی یم پلاره. He wants to collaborate with our company. هغه غواړي چې زموږ د کمپنۍ سره یعنی شرکت وکړي مرسته وکړي دا وکړي. سیده.
Please dad save me. I don't want to die. Sean is also here.
Please dad save me. مهرباني وکړه ما وژغوره پلاره. I don't want to die. زه نه غواړم چې مړه شم. die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل. Sean is also here. Sean هم دلته دی.
Hey old man. You have to sign a contract with us. My dad will contact you soon.
Hey old man. Hey زوړ سړی. You have to sign a contract with us. ته باید له موږ سره یو تړون لاسلیک کړې. sign ویل کېږي لاسلیک کول او contract ویل کېږي ملګرو تړون ته. My dad will contact you soon. زما پلار به له تا سره ډېر ژر کانټیکټ ونیسي یعنې رابطه به سره وکړي.
If you don't invest your shares in my company, I will kill your daughter.
If you don't invest که چیرې ته پانګونه ونه کړې یعنې روپۍ ونه لګوې your shares ستا د ونډو یعنې د share in my company زما په کمپنۍ کې I will kill your daughter. زه به ستا لور ووژنم.
Please dad save me. He is a crazy man. He can do anything.
Please dad save me. مهرباني وکړه پلاره ما وژغوره. He is crazy man. هغه لیونی سړی دی. He can do anything. هغه هر څه کولی شي.
Hang up your phone right now. You cannot talk to your dad anymore.
Hang up the phone right now. موبایل دې بند که نور همدا اوس. hang up ویل کېږي ملګرو د موبایل بندول ته. You can talk to your dad anymore. ته نشې کولی چې د خپل پلار سره نورې خبرې وکړې.
I will not warn you again. If you don't put your gun down right now, I will shoot.
I will not warn you again. زه به تا ته دوباره خبرتیا نه درکوم. If you don't put your gun down right now که چیرې دې همدا اوس خپله توپانچه کته وانهچوله I will shoot you. زه به تا وولم.
Do what you can. I will not obey.
Do what you can. که هر څه کولی شي ویې که. I will not obey you. زه به ستا دغه امر نه منم. زه به ستا خبره نه منم. دی مطلب دی.
You.
Sean. Sean. Somebody save my love. He is bleeding.
Sean, somebody save my love. یو څوک زما مینه وژغوریا. He is bleeding a lot. له هغې څخه ډېره وینه بهیږي. ملګرو bleeding ویل کېږي د وینې بهېدل.
a lot.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are gonna love